Hi, my name is Steve Powell, and I created IndeeLift, the first human floor lift. My father was the inspiration for IndeeLift. He had a falling problem. He fell regularly. For years, he could just get right back up. But as he got older, it became harder and harder to get him off of the floor. His wife couldn't help him up, I couldn't help him up, and on a good day, both of us could get him off of the floor. But that wasn't a good answer. After picking up my father from the floor many times, he became so bruised in his arms and his shoulders that he would scream and holler in pain. I knew I had to find a solution to this problem.
The amazing line of IndeeLift human floor lifts are the only convenient and mobile fall recovery systems in the world. The IndeeLift consumer models were designed for self or assisted operation in the home. These lifts easily and safely lift a fallen person up from the floor. Two models accommodate 300 pounds and 400 pounds.
I invented the IndeeLift human floor lift to help people stay in their homes, maintaining their privacy, dignity, and independence.
The IndeeLift professional models utilize medically certified components and are designed for use by healthcare providers. These models allow safe, convenient lifting of a fallen person without the risk of injury to either party. The two current versions can accommodate up to 400 pounds and 550 pounds.
When the fire department came to inspect the IndeeLift factory, they asked what IndeeLift was about. When we explained it, they said, "We need one of those for our truck." Since then, I have worked with local fire agencies to design a device specifically for our emergency medical services and first responders.
The IndeeLift Emergency Services model was built for first responders. This industrial model folds up for convenient storage on emergency vehicles and provides equipment transport and field chair functionality while virtually eliminating injury to staff or to the fallen. Recent studies show that falls in America have increased by 63% in the last decade. And while most falls do not result in injuries, a large percentage of fallers can't get up without assistance. While assistance is helpful, the consumer models are built to be self-operated. The fallen simply scoots to their IndeeLift, positions themselves on the beveled seat, and, with the simple push of a button on the wired remote, the fallen is gently raised from the floor to a height of 21 inches in about 60 seconds. Once raised from the floor, they can relax and catch their breath. And when ready, they simply stand up from the IndeeLift seat, as they would from any chair.
Healthcare workers are injured at a rate 3 times higher than other industry segments. IndeeLift is going to help those folks stay in their jobs injury-free while they take care of our elderly and disabled.
In a hospital, skilled nursing, or assisted living facility, the healthcare professional wheels the IndeeLift to the fallen. The care provider assists the fallen onto the beveled seat and presses the up button. Once raised to the height of 21 inches, the care provider can either help them to stand back up or can easily transfer them into a wheelchair. There are 3 times more injuries to healthcare providers than to workers in other industries. With IndeeLift, they no longer need to suffer from strains or injuries related to fall recoveries, lost time from work, or lost careers. With an average of 40% of fire department calls requiring lift assists and 62% of pre-hospital back injuries resulting directly from lifting patients, IndeeLift provides an invaluable tool to first responders everywhere. IndeeLift's consumer, professional, and emergency services models have addressed each of these great societal needs.
Everyone I talk to has a story about their aunt or their grandmother or their parents who have a problem with falling. Let's face it, we're all getting older. We're going to have to deal with this ourselves. IndeeLift is the solution.
At IndeeLift, our mission is to help people. There are no other solutions on the market that come close to the effectiveness, convenience, portability, and safety of IndeeLift's human floor lifts. The number of individuals and organizations that can benefit from our products is enormous. Contact us today for more information or visit us at IndeeLift.com.
Thank you very much.